Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this Tunnu charger here. This is off of Amazon, and this is a very nice and compact 65 watt charger. You can see the branding right there. This is way smaller and more compact than the original charger that comes with the MacBooks. You have that huge charging brick. This is a nice small little handheld, really pocketable charger here. And this comes with and without the cable. This is a 6-foot cable. It's a braided cable, so you can see it's very nice. It comes with the Velcro fastener right here as well. But it's nice because this braided cable also has a little bit more flexibility than your typical cable and stuff. You can kind of see what this looks like. But yeah, this is Type-C to Type-C. You can see the Tunnu branding right there as well. But yeah, Type-C is right there. You'll get this manual as well with this. So it's 65 watt max. It's very convenient. It shows you all the configurations right here. Basically that top Type-C port is going to be 65 watts. If you do just the second one, it's 65 watts, 22.5 watts on just the bottom Type-A. And then in various combinations, you can see it's 45 watts and 18 if you're using both Type-Cs, 45 and 18 if you're using, just the top and bottom. So yeah, there's various configurations. Make sure that you kind of just look at that so you kind of know. This is really compact. Look, it's great for storage and portability for packing this away. Your AC port thing just pops out right there. Perfect. It goes right back in. On this side, this is where you have all your ports. You see the little LED indicator right there. But yeah, USB-A and then Type-C 1 and 2. So pretty awesome, guys. Very compact. It's nice because it's still being 65 watts with that Type-C port there. For the MacBook 13 Pro, for example, which is what I have, you can charge that in about 2 hours completely with this charger. And this thing is so small, so portable and compact. If you see, this is this GaN fast charger. So what that is basically, that's a new technology. This is honestly very similar to Anker's lineup as well. The GaN chargers, they're more efficient than the traditional silicon chargers and stuff. They're more efficient, they can charge faster. So that's where you get these smaller sizes. So that is why they're able to make this so small and so portable. Guys, there is going to be an affiliate link down there below, so that does help me out if you purchase through there. Like I said, there's two configurations, with and without the cable. So if you just want to use your own cables, you guys can do that as well. But yeah, this is awesome. Definitely check it out. Subscribe for more reviews like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.